Hi, this is Jeff Atkinson, Pneumatic Specialist for C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a Pneumatic Product Moment featuring KOGANEI's C and HC series of compact cylinders. These cylinders come in a variety of flavors: standard, non-rotating, square rod, tandem, lateral load, long stroke, and end keep styles. Bores range from 6 to 100 millimeters, strokes from 5 to 100 millimeters, with metric or imperial threads. They compete directly with SMC's CQ2, Bimba's EF and EFT, and other compact series cylinders. The fact that a complete compact KOGANEI cylinder package with the mounting hardware, sensors, etc. retails for 1/2 to 1/3 the cost of the competition seems counterintuitive to the fact of their use of superior materials, quality workmanship, and tighter machining tolerances. Frankly, I'm at a loss why anyone would want to pay so much more to receive so much less. That's KOGANEI's C and HC series of compact cylinders. For more information about this product or any of the other cool and unique products from KOGANEI, reach out to your technology consultant from C&E Advanced Technologies.